What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice, man. I'm back, baby, with another lit video, man. Yes, sir. The energy is high today. The energy is high this morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel, all my old people, man. All my new people, welcome in. It's your boy, your favorite front yard boy, J Spice, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. All my good people, man. Y'all tune in if you ain't already tuned in. If you ain't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you'll never miss a drop. Your boy got that do-rag hanging low on me this morning. But we got a lot of work to do. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all do that. If you like any of the content that you ever watched on Life is J Spice channel, man, just hit that thumbs up for your boy. Just let YouTube know that you actually liked my content, man. You feel me? We need this. We need this in life, baby. You know what I'm saying? If you got any question, comments, or opinion, you know, also just leave that in the comment box below, baby. You know what I'm saying? I talk back to my people. You feel me? I love all my supporters. Hey, man, but listen, as y'all can tell, man, all my people that watch the channel, man, my energy kind of high today because we got some good old content that I'm ready for today, baby. We messing with Big X today. We got a big change we finna do to him today. So I'm gonna just stop talking. I'm gonna turn this camera around. I'm gonna show y'all some boxes. We got a bunch of boxes for Big X. We got a bunch of boxes for Ice Spice that's coming in. We got some real heat coming in for Ice Spice too. So y'all make sure y'all tune in and hit that subscribe button because it's going down. It's going down, and I ain't here to keep on trying to convince you that it's going down. Watch this heat. All right, let's walk up on old Big X, and we're gonna give it a little rundown. For all the new people, man, it's my 1998 Chevy Silverado 3500 Dully. You feel me? With a 7.4 454 liter V8, 480 transmission in that thing. We just got the transmission put in this thing. I had a LS swap OBS truck before this, and as long as the 454 do good in this truck, we're gonna leave it in here. But if it start acting up too much, start doing too many LS swap 6062. I already got the 480 in it, but we gonna talk about that because she doing good. First thing first, baby, we finna do a major light upgrade on this truck, man. We're gonna build this truck out. It's gonna be simple, but it's gonna be clean. We putting these wheels on this truck. We're gonna paint it. We're gonna do a lot of things to the truck. This truck was neglected for a while, and it's time to bring it back to its glory days. First thing first, man. As you can see, we got a bunch of boxes sitting over there right there on the ground. We're gonna go over there and we're gonna check that out in a minute. But I want y'all to take a look at these tail lights. See them factory tail lights? Y'all know what we do over here. We gotta do it our way. I already put the LED strip on there. Like I said, I've been having that for years, and I just put that on there about a month ago. But yeah, see that tail light? I don't like that tail light. It's coming out, y'all. It's coming out. They're not bright. They ugly. And it's just so many different options of new tail lights and headlights and all that stuff for these trucks that you shouldn't have no excuse without, you know, not to change them. You feel me? It's 2024. It's time for some new stuff. So what we're gonna do is we got some brand new lights, LEDs in the box. We're gonna go over there and check them out. We're gonna take this bumper off. We're gonna put the 2014 to the 2020 Chevy bumper in there with the side steps on the side. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're gonna slap them things in there. We're gonna change all that. We're gonna change all the hip lights out to LED. Everything getting changed out, man. I'm not playing with y'all. I be telling you, y'all think I be playing. A lot of y'all know I don't be playing, but then some of the new people do. See the ugly third light with them ugly rusty bolts in it? That's coming out today. You feel me? And this video, I got so much stuff that's coming in for this truck. This video gonna have to be like 2 or 3 videos maybe. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of stuff. But I'm finna show you though real quick. Alright, you know, we got the factory mirrors. They look fine. They doing good. Y'all see Ice Spice back there hiding? But yeah, the factory mirrors, they pretty straight on this truck. They work. But it's time to do some big boy stuff. We're gonna put the tow mirrors on there. Yes, Lord. Y'all heard what I said. We're gonna put the tow mirrors on this thing. I need to see around them hips when I had them trailers hooked up. I need to see around them hips, man. You feel me? I need to see as best I can with this big old truck. Big old long wheelbase, big dually truck, Big X. Watch this heat. Okay, let's keep on rolling, y'all. Let's keep on rolling. See these cab lights? I do not like those yellow cab lights. And one of them is leaking over there a little bit, so it's time to change the seals out on them. So instead of just changing the seals, as you can see, that seal is kind of a little bent. We're gonna change the whole lights out. Every light on this truck going to smoke, you feel me? Every light on this truck going to smoke. Watch this heat. Okay, we're gonna move on around to the front end. Y'all think I'm playing games, but I'm really not playing no game with these cars. I'm really pressure. I just be really trying to stay humble and not try to pop my, like I really can pop my, you feel me? But this fender, I haven't addressed this yet, but you see that fender? Yes, I'm the body man. Yes, I'm the paint man, but I'm not gonna be worrying with nothing like that that's crusty, you feel me? You see this? I'm replacing that fender. We're gonna order a brand new fender, just like we just did on Ice Spice over there on the driver's side, you feel me? No games. But yeah, back to what we were talking about. These headlights coming out, corner markers coming out, bumper coming off, files. We're getting rid of all this down here. We're going smoothie bumper, lower valence, like I did on half cast. Of course, we got that big triple mesh Tierra grill with the illuminated logo. Shout out to Tony. We already got the grill coming for Ice Spice. Y'all stay tuned for that. We're gonna be matching. Gotta get them teeth done, baby. We ain't talking about no Johnny Dane. We talking about big old Tony Tierra grill. Yeah, watch this heat. But yeah, here we go, y'all. We got the tail lights. You feel me? Matter of fact, let me just get some of this stuff taken out the box. You know what I'm saying? And we'll go from there. I guess. I think that's the best option, right? Yeah. Watch this heat. Hey, my good people. I got y'all set up. I got a couple things taken out so we can get a clear view and stop being all confused. But yeah, here we go. Let's start with the tail lights first. We got them crispy smoked tail lights. Last time I went with clear on half cast, so we going with smoked everything on Big X. All right, you know what I'm saying? I drop all these links in the description too of all this stuff I got, man. Y'all got to go to the description, and that's where you can follow all my social medias and everything. I have all the links to all this stuff linked down in the description box, man. So check that out. Here's that third light, y'all. See what I'm saying? And they send the hardware too, so I can take them rusty screws. You see what I'm saying? They got stainless steel screws, so I can take them rusty screws out. You feel me? See the design I got? Ooh, come on, y'all. Check that out. Come on, y'all. Ooh, look at that. 20 times better. Well, that's what we doing. That's what we doing, y'all. So we got the tail lights, the third light. We got the tow mirrors right here, you feel me? In smoke. We got the turn signals on them. LED turn signals in smoke, and they telescopic and they electric. You see they got the wire on it. And ooh, I don't want it to do too much sliding. We got the arrows in the mirror, if you can see. Yeah, right there, you can see the arrows in the mirror right there. We got the arrows in the mirror, and these supposed to be reverse lights. So we got turn signal on the front, turn signal arrows on the inside of the mirror, and reverse lights, you feel me? And it's clear as day. It's clear as day, you feel me? Oh yeah. Ooh wee, compared to that. Ooh wee, compared to that. With that, gonna be pressure. Stop playing them games. And we got the other one right here. Yeah, they came packaged up real good. Came with the brackets and the wiring for both of them. So we're gonna get them in. I don't know if we get them in today or this video or the next video, but we're gonna go and keep this pushing. We already strolling along. Okay, so next we got all LEDs for every light inside the truck. You feel me? For every light inside the truck, I'm changing the LEDs out to blue. We doing all blue, big Hoover Crip blue. Let me quit. Nah, we ain't doing no game banging over here. We just doing some motivation, and we're doing a bunch of work. Ain't no game banging going on. Game bang somewhere else. That was just a joke. But anyway, we're gonna switch these out too. See what I got? Ooh, ooh, ooh. We ain't gonna make it if I keep doing that though. But yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. LEDs, crystal. Yes, Lord. That's gonna look so good. And they supposed to light up blue. So we'll see what that be like. I told y'all I ain't playing no games. We changing everything out. Y'all, I'm not playing no games. It just take me a little time. It just take me a little time. I got more stuff coming in the mail too. Headlights coming out. Headlights supposed to be here today. Changing the headlights out too. Yes, yes, yes. Top and bottom. Headlights coming out. No games. All right, let's keep on strolling, baby. Check these out. Check these out, y'all. Check these out. Man, nice. 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 Compared to that, we're gonna do it like that. You feel me? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna change them yellows out and we're gonna put them smoke joints in there. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. I got all 5 of them right here in the box. Yes, Lord. All 5. Pull that one out to show you. Okay. Here go the corner markers. See what I'm saying? Here go the corner markers. You feel me? Corner markers for the front grill and the lights. Changing them all out to smoke. It's gonna be hard. Ooh, gonna be hard. Check that smoke corner lens out. And it come with the strobe LEDs. You see them? Oh yeah. Gonna be pressure. Oh yeah. Gonna be pressure. So yeah, y'all. I done talked enough. I'm gonna put the camera down and we're gonna start on the rear end. Since we waiting on the headlights, I might have to do that tomorrow. And the next day it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days. So I'm trying to get as much done as I can. Let me put this camera down. I'm gonna get these headlights out. Let me these tail lights out and that third light out. And we'll move on as much as we can today. Watch this heat. All right, gang. I got the tail lights, old tail lights out and one tail light in. I ain't turned it on yet. I just plugged it up and stuck it up in there. But come on, guys. Tell me, come on now. Y'all see that on camera. I ain't even put the screws in it yet. You feel me? I just stuck it up there. I ain't even turn it on. I had to grab the camera. We're gonna see this together. We're gonna experience this together. You feel me? With my family. You feel me? My YouTube family. Check me out. Look at them old joints. Look at that new one. I also took me a towel and cleaned out around there. It was all nasty and stuff. I kind of wiped it out a little bit. Wiped some of that crust off. Had a wasp nest up in there. But yeah, that's some old joints. That's that new one. Let's turn that thing on. Let's see how it looks, y'all. For the first time, see if I got it right. See if it'll come on. Oh, yes, Lord, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord. I think the truck got to be cranked up for these. I'm gonna put the Mercy lights on, see if it'll blink. And I'm also have to put a LED flasher relay up under there for the LED lights so I won't get hyper flash. But let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Stop playing them games, y'all. Oh yeah, we looking good, gang. Oh yeah, in the daytime. Oh yeah, watch this heat. All right, y'all, let's get a good look at them things. Yes, sir. Got the passenger side on. Yes, sir. Looking good. Yes, sir. Let me close this tailgate real quick, and we'll get us a POV. Of how it looks. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna look nasty at night, y'all. Alright. Got that done. LED tail lights installed. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see if we can get that third light. See if we can get that third light taken care of. Watch this heat. Alright, y'all, I got it back working, and obviously I got a little short back there behind my headlight switch. I'm gonna have to go and fix that. But let's go and take a look. I got a box down there holding my brake light. So that's the brake light. This the brake light, and the C is the running light. But I got a box down there holding my brake light just so we can see this third light. And I got the cargo light on too, just so we can see how that third light look. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Oh yeah. New stainless steel bolts in that thing. Oh yeah. And we went from this ugly crusty junk with them old bulbs in it. Nasty. To this. Nice, crispy, good looking third light. Oh yeah, Big X coming together, baby. You gotta have them crispy lights, and on in person, it looks so good. I'm telling you, some cargo lights bright, and brake light bright. I love it, y'all. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna move on to the next one. I guess y'all stay tuned. Watch this heat. Watch this heat.